Find the value of k. K is an element of the real number set. If the circle x squared plus y squared plus 2kx plus 6y minus 6 equals 0 has a radius of 4. So the general equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. And the centre is minus g minus f with a radius square root g squared plus f squared minus c. So we can find all of these in the formula book, you don't need to learn them off. So the equation that we're given is x squared plus y squared plus 2kx plus 6y minus 6 equals 0. So we're going to take the coefficient of x, which is 2k, we're going to half it and change the sign to get minus 1k, or just minus k. And then we take the coefficient of y, which is 6, and we half it and change the sign to get minus 3. So the centre of this circle is minus k minus 3. We're going to take our radius formula, which is a square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. We swap the g for minus k, so we have minus k squared, which is just k squared. We swap the f for minus 3, so we have minus 3 squared, which is positive 9. And then we swap the c for minus 6. So we have minus 6, which is positive 6. So we have the square root of k squared plus 9 plus 6, and 9 plus 6 is 15. So the radius simplified is the square root of k squared plus 15. Now we're told in the question that the radius is 4. So if the radius is equal to 4, then the square root of k squared plus 15 is equal to 4. So now we just want to solve for k. So to get rid of the surd on the left hand side, we're going to have to square both sides. So squaring the left hand side just gets rid of the surd, so we have k squared plus 15. And squaring the right hand side, 4 squared is 16. Next we bring the 15 over the equal sign, it becomes minus 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. So k squared is equal to 1. So k is equal to plus or minus 1. Because the squared comes over the equal sign, becomes the square root. And the square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. So the value of k, so k is an element of the real number set, so it's a real number. So the two possible values of k are 1 or minus 1.